Now we'll talk about aid, donations or legacy. Aid means any help from the members or outsiders. The same thing with the donations. All this aid, donation or legacies are almost the same thing. Aid means help, donations means when you get something from outsider or member, or legacy means sometimes the NPO gets something through the will of any person. All these things can be categorized into two parts, general or specific. Suppose, for example, you get the donations from outsider. Can be general, it can be specific. And so far this general is concerned, it can be of two types, in cash or in kind. In cash means somebody comes to your organization and pays you hard cash or some check. Or some donor can give you something in kind. In kind means not in cash, in the form of something else. Suppose you are running some cricket club and somebody comes to you and gives you 10 cricket balls. That will be the donation in kind. And this cash donations can be of two types, big donations and small donations. Be careful. If it's a big donation in cash, it should be capitalized. If it's a small one, it should be treated as income. So far these specific donations are concerned. Specific donation means when the donor gives you specific instruction how to utilize this thing or this money. It means they are the specific donation. For example, somebody gives you 10,000 rupees and says that this money should be spent only on buying your cricket bats. It means you have got 10,000 rupees in cash, but this donation is with specific instruction, means this money is to be utilized for a particular purpose. This type of donation will be capitalized. Now one thing more confusing is, how can we judge that this donation is big or small? Actually it's a very tricky question. Maybe for you some donations are big, maybe for me it's a small one. Actually you should try to compare it with the level of subscription. If you feel its amount is larger than the annual subscription, it should be treated as big, otherwise you can treat it as small. Whatever you feel, you must write down in the footnotes whether you are going to capitalize or taking it revenue income. Suppose you are running cricket club and on receipts and payments account, the donations are written down on the debit side 1,000 rupees. And you decide to treat it as revenue income. So naturally this amount will be taken to the credit side of income and expenditure account by donation 1,000 rupees. If the same situation comes up on receipts and payments account, on the debit side, it's written to donation for refreshment 1,000 rupees. So this thing is clear. This donation is for refreshment. It means this is a specific donation. We have got cash, but this cash should be utilized for a specific purpose. So any specific donation should be capitalized. So this income or this receipt will not be taken to the credit side of income and expenditure account. Rather, it will be added to the opening capital in the balance sheet. Let's take one more situation. Suppose receipts and payments account is given and on debit side nothing is there, but in the additional information it is written donation of second hand cricket balls were received valued rupees 1,000. Naturally you have got the donation but not in cash. Somebody has given you cricket balls and the value of the cricket balls was rupees 1,000. This is the donation in kind. Naturally, all donations in kind cannot be treated as revenue income, means it cannot be treated as income in the income and expenditure account. It should be capitalized. Capitalized means it should be added to the opening capital in the balance sheet. And naturally on asset side, you will write down cricket balls, 1000 rupees. Let's take one more example. In receipts and payments account, on debit side, you find these items: to subscription, 1000 rupees, to donation, 10,000 rupees. If you compare the subscription and donations, it means on yearly basis, on average basis, you get only 1000 rupees as contribution from the members, but somebody has given you 10,000 rupees. It's a clear-cut case of big donation and in cash. So big donations in cash should not be taken to the credit side of income and expenditure account. Rather, it should be capitalized. Capitalized means it should be added to the opening capital in the balance sheet.